Hello everybody, myself V. Narayana Babu, lecturer in mathematics, GSI PU College, Mysore. In the last session, we have discussed about the problems on properties of determinants. In this session, we shall discuss about the area of triangle. That means finding the area of triangle using determinants and its related problems. Area of triangle. Area of the triangle whose vertices x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is given by area of triangle is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. In the lower class, that is in the first PUC, you have studied that the area of the triangle whose vertices are given by x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by area of triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now this can be expressed in the determinant form, that is area of triangle is equal to half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinants. Suppose while doing the problem, if the answer is negative, we reject the negative because the area is always positive. If area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant. The area of the triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. Let us discuss few problems on area of triangle. Problem number 1. Find area of the triangle with vertices at the point 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3. So we know that the area of the triangle is given by half into determinant of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. So here 1 comma 0 is x1 y1, 6 comma 0 is x2 y2, 4 comma 3 is x3 comma y3. So that will be equal to half into determinant of x1 1, y1 0 1, x2 y2 1, x2 6, y2 0 1, x3 4, y3 3 1. So expanding along R1, so that will be equal to half into, so 1 into, so 1 lies in the first row and first column, eliminating the first row and first column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. So determinant of 0 1 3 1 minus 0 into plus 1 into, so 1 lies in the first row and third column, eliminating the first row and third column, we take the determinant of the remaining elements, that is determinant of 6 0 4 3. So that will be equal to half into 1 into, so 0 into 1 0 minus 3 into 1 3 minus 0 into anything will get cancel, plus 1 into 6 3s are 18 minus 4 into 0 0. So that is equal to half into minus 3 plus 18, that is equal to 15 by 2 square units, because area is measured in square units. So area of triangle equals 15 by 2 square units. Second problem, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2, minus 3, 3 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 8. So area of triangle is given by half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So the first vertex is x1 y1, second vertex is x2 y2, and the third vertex is x3 y3. That will be equal to half into determinant of minus 2 minus 3 1 3 2 1 minus 1 minus 8 1. So expanding along R1, that is equal to half into minus 2 into, so minus 2 lies in the first row and first column, eliminate the first row and first column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. Minus 3 So into determinant of minus 3 lies in the first row and second column. Eliminate the first row and second column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. That is 3 1 minus 1 1 plus 1 into determinant of 1 lies in the first row and third column. Eliminating the first row and third column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. That is determinant of 3 2 minus 1 minus 8. So that will be equal to half into minus 2 into 2 into 1 2 minus 8 into 1 minus 8. So minus into minus plus, so 3 into 1 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 3 into minus 8 minus 24 minus of minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So that will be equal to half into minus 2 into minus plus 2 plus 8 10 plus 3 into minus plus 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 into minus 24 plus 2 is minus 22. That is equal to half into minus 20 plus 3 4s are 12 minus 22. That is equal to minus 20 minus 22 is minus 42. Minus 42 plus 12 is minus 30. That is minus 30 by 2, which is equal to minus 15. Since area is positive, we reject the negative sign and consider that area of triangle is equal to 15 square units. Next problem, problem number 3. Show that the points A of A comma B plus C, B of B comma C plus A, C of C comma A plus B are collinear. Solution. So area of triangle ABC is given by half into determinant of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. So that is equal to half into determinant of A, this is x1 y1 x2 y2 and this will be x3 y3. So x1 is A, y1 is B plus C 1, B C plus A 1, C A plus B 1. So our aim is to show that these points are collinear. That means these points lie in the same line. So we know that if 3 points lie in the same line, then the area of the triangle will be 0. So let us check whether these given points are collinear. Applying C1 as C1 plus C2. So that will be equal to half into determinant of, so here C1 means column 1. So the change is taking place in column 1. So C1 plus C2, that is A plus B plus C, B plus C plus A, C plus A plus B, and the remaining two columns remains as it is. Now, in the first column, if we observe, all the elements are one and the same. That means they are common. So you can take out A plus B plus C outside the determinant. So that will be equal to half into A plus B plus C into determinant of 1, 1, 1. B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1, 1, 1. If you observe here, column 1 and column 3 are identical. So that will be equal to half into A plus B plus C into 0, because you know that in a determinant, if any two rows or columns are identical, then the value of the determinant becomes 0. So that will be equal to 0. Therefore, what we can conclude is that the points A, B, C are collinear. Next problem, find the values of K if the area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are K comma 0, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 2. So here area is given. I have already told that if area is given, we have to consider both positive and negative values. Therefore, area of triangle will be equal to plus or minus 4, and this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So area of triangle is given by delta equals half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So from data delta equals plus or minus 4. So plus or minus 4 is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, that is k 0, 1, x2, y2, 4, 0, 1, x3, y3, that is 0, 2, 1. Expanding along R1. So plus or minus 4 is equal to half into, so k into, So k lies in the first row and first column. I eliminate the first row and first column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. So 0, 1, 2, 1 minus 0 into plus 1 into, so 1 lies in the first row and third column. I eliminate the first row and third column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. So determinant of 4, 0, 0, 2. So minus. So plus or minus 4 is equal to half into, so k into 0 into 1, 0 minus 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into 4 into 2, 8 minus 0. So let us cross multiply 2 to plus or minus 4. We get plus or minus 8 is equal to minus 2k plus 8. So consider positive sign 8 minus 2k plus 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to minus 2k. So 0 is equal to minus 2k. So k will be equal to 0. Next consider the negative sign, that is minus 8. So minus 8 will be equal to minus 2k plus 8. So minus 8 will be equal to minus 2k, minus 16 will be equal to minus 2k, and k will be equal to 16 by 2, that is k equals 8. So finally we have found the values of k, that is k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 8. Find the equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. Solution. Let A be 1, 2, B be 3, 6. Let P of x, y be any point on the line joining AB. Then the points A, B, P are collinear. We know that if 3 points are collinear, then the area of the triangle will be always equal to 0. Area of the triangle will be always equal to 0. That is half into determinant of 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1 will be equal to 0. If we cross multiply 2 to 0, we will get 0. That is determinant of 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1 will be equal to 0 because 2 into 0 is 0. Let us expand this determinant along R1. So 1 into So 1 lies in the first row and first column. I eliminate the first row and first column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. So determinant of 6, 1, y 1 minus 2 into, so 2 lies in the first row and second column. I eliminate the first row and second column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. That is 2 into determinant of 3, 1, x 1 plus 1 into, so 1 lies in the first row and third column. I eliminate the first row and third column and take the determinant of the remaining elements. 3, 6, x, y will be equal to 0. So 1 into 6 into 1, 6 minus y into 1, y minus 2 into 3 into 1, 3 minus x into 1, x plus 1 into 3 into y, 3y minus x into 6, 6x is equal to 0. 6 minus y minus 2 into 3, 6 minus into minus plus 2 into x, 2x plus 3y minus 6x will be equal to 0. Here 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. Minus y plus 3y, we have plus 2y. 2x minus 6x minus 4x will be equal to 0. Multiply by minus 1. 4x minus 2y is equal to 0. Dividing by 2. 2x minus y is equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Okay, thank you.